for giraffe. Good, giraffe. So tall. H is for helicopter. Helicopter. Spin, spin, spin. I is for ice cream. Ice cream. So yummy. J is for jellyfish. Jellyfish. Wobble, wobble. K is for kite. Kite. Fly high in the sky. Great job, little learners. We'll learn the rest of the letters tomorrow, so stay tuned. See you soon.